two mini spiralizers look interchangeable. The OXO Tabletop is the versatile default for mixed produce, but frequent batch prep favors Hamilton Beach's powered model. Choose by produce shape, batch size, effort, and storage. For most home cooks, buy the OXO Good Grips Tabletop Spiralizer. It handles varied fruit and vegetables, including wider, uneven pieces, while its stable base and stored blades simplify setup. You'll get long strands without narrowing everything for a feed tube. But cranking firm produce gets tiring, and the horizontal body needs meaningful counter and cabinet space. Skip it if you regularly prepare big batches, want a collection bin, or strongly prefer powered operation. For frequent vegetable noodle prep, choose the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Spiralizer. Powered operation removes most cranking, while the collection container keeps a substantial batch together. The compromise is produce fit. Its 2.5-inch chute requires trimming large, curved, or irregular pieces, which adds preparation and can shorten strands. It's also noisier, and trapped pieces near the feed tube lock can complicate blade changes. Skip it for frequent apples, beets, thick sweet potatoes, or noise-sensitive kitchens. For occasional zucchini or cucumber noodles, the OXO Good Grips Handheld Spiralizer is the budget choice. It takes little drawer space and avoids setting up a countertop machine. But its single blade offers one noodle style, and twisting produce demands more force and coordination. Dense vegetables are especially laborious, while the holder may slip once the cut end becomes ragged. Skip it if you want ribbons, varied noodle sizes, or regular prep with carrots and other firm produce. Quick split. OXO Tabletop for mixed produce and everyday versatility. Hamilton Beach for powered, high-volume prep with chute-friendly vegetables. OXO Handheld for occasional soft produce when budget and drawer space matter most. Before buying, check your usual produce width, expected batch size, available storage, cleanup tolerance, and whether you'll actually crank firm vegetables. Start with the OXO Tabletop if you want the broadest produce flexibility. Switch to Hamilton Beach for frequent batches, or choose the OXO Handheld when low cost and tiny storage matter more than cutting options. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.